All right, guys, another one of my favorite videos. This is a celebration of another entrepreneur in our country, entrepreneur couple. I want to introduce you to Zoe and Rob, who recently decided to start a dryer vent wizard in Tucson. So Zoe and Rob, welcome, yay! So you guys know you are super special to me. And for whatever reason, we just kind of connected and it was like, poor Alec gets a call, you take care of them. And he was great. So, but tell us a little bit. I think what people love to hear is, I guess, what did you do before and what is your career and what got you thinking about business ownership?
We had both spent many, many years in medical academic research in a few different places. And we recently moved to Tucson because I got out of academic research and I took a job in medical device industry. And so I've been doing that for the last almost 6 years.
Okay, cool. And Rob?
I was also in medical research academia, but I retired, I don't know, 10 years ago for various reasons. And Zoe is so excited about this that I'm excited about it. So that's where we are.
That's awesome. So why now? So you know what I mean? Like business ownership. I know, like I've heard this story, but I think it's really cool for Zoe to share too.
So, um, the so this industry job was very, very different from academia. And I am so grateful for it. I learned a lot about business. I gained a lot of new skills. It helped me a lot. But when I started thinking about how I was feeling coming home every day, I wasn't really available. I was exhausted. And I'm not a, I'm a hard worker. I've always been a hard worker. It wasn't the amount of hours. It was just the fact that I felt like I was paying rent to a job instead of, building mortgage, right? Having a job. And it made me realize that, way back in college, I did sort of have a dream of running my own business that I buried for a while, for a long time.
We talked about that. That's right.
Yeah. So it just many different things came together. Something that he and I can do, as partners,
Yeah.
and we work really well together. We have different skill sets, and so many things just came together. My desire to look for something a little different, and then bringing back that dream of owning my own business.
Right.
So, and then we found you, and that was we would never have been able to do this without your expertise. Um, just really, really good advice. It's just amazing to be able to work with you.
Well, thank you. Thank you for that. So let's talk a little bit about Dryer Vent Wizard. So we're going to cut to Alec from Neighborly, who we were just talking about before we logged in. It's kind of like passing the baton, right? So first you're in my nest and then I passed the baton and you guys looked at a couple of different businesses. I mean, no offense, Alec, but you weren't the only one, right? So, but Alec, just tell everybody a little bit about what Dryer Vent Wizard is.
Sure, yeah. So dryer vent wizard, as the name suggests, we do dryer vents. So we specialize in repair, installation, cleaning, and maintenance of dryer vents. We're a big part of creating this industry. The same person who founded Mr. Handyman founded Dryer Vent Wizard. We've been around the longest. We have the tried and true systems here. But really, at its core, this business is about helping people, leaving people better than you found them, giving back. That's what this is truly all about. And that's something that's really big to Zoe and Rob.
Right.
So that's what we're all about.
Now talk a little bit too. I think it's worth it for this portion, just about the Neighborly powerhouse machine behind this little business. I mean, Zoe and Rob, we wanted something small, not a ton of employees, not 7,000 spinning plates. but they needed the support. So touch a little bit on, like, I can't help it. I describe it as the machine that is Neighborly, right?
Sure. So, I mean, machine is a good way to put it. I mean, Neighborly, we're the biggest home service franchisor on the planet. I mean, there's a reason we did 3.3 billion in system-wide revenue last year and way more beyond that this year, and why we have been around for almost 50 years now. We've become the biggest in the industry truly by using our proven systems as well as following our code of ethics, really treating everyone with respect, integrity, and scaling the business up. But the powerhouse of Neighborly really supports the franchise owners. Between the cross-brand marketing, we have a database of 12 million customers. So when someone starts a new business with Dryer Vent Wizard, well, they get to walk into a little bit of an existing book of business. And then you can't even get me started on the buying power of 5,000 franchise owners between all of our brands. You get quite a bit of buying power.
Right.
And then, the support from the corporate level is unmatched. 150-person marketing team, your coaches, everything that you can think of. The list goes on and on there.
That's awesome. Thank you so much. I mean, I think that's sometimes people forget that, right? So sometimes people forget that we're not just Dryer Vent Wizard with 4 people at the corporate hoping to dream. And I mean, they're like, come on, guys, let's go. But I think that they put it in a way that, yeah, you're a part of a big city, but we treat you like a small town. Like, we treat you like this is our family. You're going to know everybody that you call. And I think that was important for you guys. You wanted that support. You wanted that when I have a question, I know who I can call. And so I'm so excited for you. I don't know that I'm so proud of you. When we first talked, I think I told you this, right? I was kind of like, I don't know how this one's gonna go, right? But you were great to work with. You followed the process, you asked good questions, you talked to enough brands, open-minded, right? So thank you, because I know people think that this is a sales process, and I think once you let your guard down, it's like, you just got to get educated to figure out. And sometimes at the end, I mean, most times at the end, people are like, I don't got what it takes. Right? Like, I can't again. And so I'm just so proud of you guys for having what it takes. Right? So congratulations.
Thank you. Well, you helped us find the opportunity that fit our values, that fit, why we want to be in business. Customer service, customer care absolutely is near and dear to my heart.
Mm-hmm.
Right. The values that Alec talked about just fit so well. And really, the Dryer Vent Wizard, this is just a prime city to start this. There's really, nothing here. So we're looking at all those things as we vetted different opportunities. And this just really stood out above and beyond everything else. And again, about the support. And we see that every day. We started with Alec, but we've gotten further in, got to meet, more people, got to meet owners, and it's just consistent all the way through. All of that support and that family feeling is been truly consistent and wonderful.
That's awesome.
And we don't have any business experience from the past.
Right.
So we're looking for somebody who can help us and educate us. They have a proven system. We want to work with that system.
Yeah.
So it's been very good.
That's very smart. That's a very smart way to say it. I tried something from
Yeah.
scratch, and I tell everybody, don't do it that way. Find a system, save yourself time, money, energy, headaches. So, all right, guys, let's pop this confetti. Congratulations, you guys. I seriously, and don't disappear. You need to stay in touch. And I kind of have the feeling we're just family now, right? So, all right, let's go in 3, 2, 1.
Woo!
Very good. Okay. So,
Those things can be dangerous.
yeah, you're right. Like, wow, what's it gonna do? No. So, well, congratulations, you guys. Thanks, Alec, for being on. Thank you for helping them. I really appreciate it. You took really good care of them, and that's something I'll never forget either. So,
Of course. I didn't do much. Zoe and Rob are great. It's easy to work with amazing people. So thank you for introducing me to some amazing individuals here, like Zoe and Rob.
Absolutely. Congratulations, guys. Thank you.